So here you will see that object not found again. So before displaying, we first configure here route. So just type here route and use a get method, and then type here the URL of this, like it's about us. Just move on and paste. Then write here an anonymous function to just return view. Just give here the name of view which I have created. It's a about ABOU3 about. Just press Ctrl S. Now refresh it. Uh, Before this you have to mention here a public slash about. Now here you will see an h1 tag which I have mentioned there in about. Hello, this is about page. So uh, expected in the file. So sorry, I have to mention there like this. Press Ctrl S. Now here, all of this is about page. This content comes from about page or about blade file. So basically, these are the process to build a page in Laravel. Now let's suppose I want to make a linking. Okay, so just removing these things. Mm, just get on. I'm typing here a home, and here I'm typing here about. So when we click on about, then this page will comes. So uh, let's see, yeah, there's a link. So to do this, what I have to do, just remove these things. Here Laravel provide a method called URL, but in Blade there is a syntax to write any methods of Laravel two times this bracket and write here URL and just give here the URL name like about and just put Ctrl S. Now just hit enter. Refresh this page. Now click on about. You can see the about comes. So basically these are the process of linking in Laravel 6. Thank you.